Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial of Trovomics, the cloud-based automated RNA-seq analysis platform brought to you by Radiant Health. We've done a couple of tutorial videos about how to create an experiment and upload your samples, and also everything that goes into creating an analysis. But now we're going to start exploring the tool itself in our interactive visualizer and everything that you can gain from our plots. To do this, we're going to start with the comparison plot. Our comparison plot is essentially a Venn diagram, and what it allows you to do is explore the differences in differentially expressed gene lists. And these are either lists that were created by Trovomics, or you could go ahead and upload your own custom gene lists if you see that to be fit. So to go ahead and get started, we're going to select a gene list. We have to select at least 2 gene lists for our comparison. So we are going to go ahead and select the DCM male against the non-failing male gene list. And we're also going to go ahead and select the DCM female versus non-failing female. And once I select those, I get this really nice Venn diagram that shows me the 2 separate gene lists as well as any overlap between the gene list. We can see on the males, we have about 1,200 unique genes, and on the females, we have 427 unique genes. And overlapping between them, we have 290 genes that both share. You can see the interactiveness of our visualizer as we hover over those numbers. The genes in that gene list pop up. Like I said, we can add more than 2 if we want and see comparison across up to 4 different gene lists. But for right now, we're just going to keep it at 2. Once we have our plot, we can set the font size, the colors. We can change the opacity of our circles, make them more opaque, less opaque. And we can also change the width of our plot and the height of our plot. This really gives you the power to tailor the graph exactly how you need it to be to fit into your publication. Once it's ready, we can go ahead and download this in any format that we want, as well as changing the height and width. You can go ahead and download the methods, and that gives a nice text file of how this plot was generated and everything that goes into it. From here, we can also download the comparison data. And what this shows is the genes that are in that gene list. So you can see all 1,200 in the males, and then the same would be true for the overlapping and for the females. There's a lot there, so I won't go through it fully. But this is your comparison plot. And again, what it allows you to do, see those changes in differentially expressed genes. So thank you for tuning in. I hope you learned a little bit more about comparison plots, and I hope to see you on the next Trovomics tutorial video. Take care, everybody.